All right, I'm just adding my mini marshmallows in with my stick of butter. And now I'm coming in with my Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix. I'm gonna add about half of this packet to our marshmallows here. And now I'm just going to stir this all up and get it melted and combined. All right, now that we've got this all melted together, and I've got my Christmas colored Rice Krispie treats. Look at those cute red and green Rice Krispies. We're just gonna fold these in. I'm using about 5 cups of this cereal, just eyeballing it, probably about half of your box, depending on which size you got. And we're just gonna get this all folded in and incorporated. Alrighty, let's get this over to the counter. Alrighty, y'all. Our Rice Krispie mix is ready to go here. Straight into my silicone pan. Now I did pre-grease this, and I am just gonna get all of this in there. Look at that beautiful brown butter texture we have going on. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, we're just gonna make sure all of our little gaps and cracks are filled in here using all of that mixture, not wanting to waste any of that delicious brown butter Christmas Rice Krispies with our sugar cookie. Whoo, y'all, wow, this smells incredible. All right, I've got a little bit of this gold sugar, kind of looks like glitter, and that's gonna be perfect for our star up here. Don't worry, some of this is gonna kind of, fall off. That's the nature of stars, stardust. And I'm just gonna stick on some of my holiday M&Ms here as our little ornaments on the tree. How cute, y'all. And you can customize this with whatever candies and holiday stuff you like. Ooh, it's already starting to harden up. Alrighty, y'all. I'm just gonna put this in my fridge to harden up for about an hour. Alrighty, y'all. It's been about an hour. I'm gonna put my plate just on top of my Christmas tree here. Give her a little flip. Ooh, I can't wait to see how this is looking, how this came out. Wow. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Our beautiful little Christmas tree. Y'all, I'm not gonna bite into this right now because I'm about to take it to the church potluck, but look how pretty this is. You've gotta try this with the butter and the cookie mix.